Are you looking to shed a few pounds, but can't imagine life without your favorite snacks? You're not alone. Many of us feel that weight loss means giving up all of our favorite treats, but the truth is, you can reach your goals without sacrificing snack time. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that snacking is the enemy when it comes to weight loss. We've all been told that if you want to shed those extra pounds, we need to cut out snacks altogether, but I'm here to tell you that it's just not true. Losing weight can be tough, and one of the biggest challenges we face is giving up the foods that we love. Snacks are a big part of our daily routine, and the thought of depriving ourselves of them can be really emotional. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, stressed out at work, or just plain bored, and we reach for that bag of chips or box of cookies to comfort ourselves. It's not just about the physical craving, it's about the emotional attachment we have to those snacks. But here's the thing. Our bodies are designed to need snacks to function properly. We need that energy boost to get us through our busy days, and snacks can be a great way to provide that. The problem is we tend to overdo it. We grab a handful of nuts thinking it's the healthy choice, but before we know it, we've eaten the whole bag. Or we indulge in one too many slices of pizza, telling ourselves it's just a special treat. So how do we balance our desire for snacks with our goal of losing weight? It's all about finding that sweet spot where we can indulge in moderation without derailing our entire diet. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. When it comes to healthy snacking, there are so many amazing options out there. We can munch on fresh fruits and veggies, snack on nuts and seeds, or indulge in protein-rich foods like hard-boiled eggs or Greek yogurt. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are nutrient-dense and filling. And let's not forget the importance of portion control. Just because something is healthy doesn't mean we can eat as much of it as we want. Too much of a good thing is not a good thing. Portion control is a great strategy to manage food intake and maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Here are some practical tips to help with portion control. Studies show that we tend to eat less when we use smaller dishes. Smaller plates make portions appear larger, which can trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less. You can portion out snacks in advance, either in small containers or bags. Avoid eating directly from the package, as it's easy to lose track of how much you've eaten. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, so filling half your plate with them can help you feel full while controlling portions of more calorie-dense foods. Slow down. Savor each bite and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Putting your fork down between bites can help you focus on the experience, making it easier to recognize when you're full. Aim for balanced portions of protein, whole grains, and fats. The plate method, half vegetables, a quarter protein, and a quarter starch or grain, is a simple way to ensure a balanced meal. Drinks can often add extra calories. If you're drinking high-calorie beverages, measure them out to avoid overconsumption, or choose water or unsweetened iced tea. Pepsi has 150 calories. Water has 0. Eating while watching TV or using your phone can lead to mindless overeating. Try to focus on the meal itself to be more aware of how much you're eating. Lastly, meal planning and prepping can help you stick to the appropriate portions and reduce impulsive overeating. Preparing healthy portioned meals in advance can save time and calories. These strategies can help you develop more mindful eating habits and make portion control feel natural and sustainable over time. Mindful eating is also crucial when it comes to snacking. It's about paying attention to our hunger cues, savoring each bite, and stopping when we're satisfied, not stuffed. It's about finding that balance between enjoying our snacks and not overdoing it. And the best part is, when we focus on whole, healthy foods, we're more likely to feel full and satisfied rather than deprived and restricted. Here's the key insight. Enjoying snacks in moderation can actually support our weight loss journey. When we allow ourselves to indulge in our favorite treats, we're less likely to feel deprived and more likely to stick to our diet. It's all about finding that balance and making healthy choices that nourish our bodies rather than restricting ourselves and feeling miserable. But here's the thing, it's not just about the snacks themselves. It's about the entire lifestyle. When we combine healthy snacking with a balanced diet and active lifestyle, that's when the magic happens. We're not just talking about losing weight. We're talking about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that we can maintain for the long haul. A healthy lifestyle is essential for maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It encompasses a balanced diet, regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and habits that support overall health. Here's why it's so important. A healthy lifestyle reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Proper nutrition, exercise, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive alcohol use can protect against many serious illnesses. Physical activity and balanced nutrition have been shown to reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Healthy lifestyles also help in managing stress and improving mood by releasing endorphins and other quote-unquote feel-good hormones. People who prioritize health tend to live longer. A combination of good habits delays the aging process, improves bodily functions, and reduces early mortality. A healthy diet and regular exercise boost energy levels, leading to greater productivity and a more active lifestyle. Proper sleep and hydration also play key roles in sustaining energy throughout the day. Eating well and staying active are key to maintaining a healthy weight. This, in turn, reduces the risk of obesity-related diseases and improves self-confidence and physical mobility. A diet rich in nutrients, combined with regular physical activity, helps to strengthen the immune system. This makes it easier for the body to fight off infections and recover quickly. Healthy living promotes a sense of purpose and satisfaction. It makes daily activities easier, fosters social connections, and supports mental sharpness, which all contribute to a fulfilling life. Adopting a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to mean making drastic changes. Small, consistent adjustments can lead to lasting benefits. Prioritizing health is one of the most rewarding investments for long-term well-being and happiness. So, to summarize, losing weight while still enjoying snacks is completely possible. It's all about finding that balance, focusing on whole, healthy foods, and practicing mindful eating. And when we combine that with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle, we are completely unstoppable. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite healthy snack? And if you want to learn more about health and wellness, be sure to subscribe and check out my next video.